Check out this 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Brakes safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power steering, and adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.